We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris-Wheels-Spinner, a metal kinetic fidget spinner designed as both a desk toy and a portable hand spinner. This product, sold by the Commerda store, is crafted from metal using CNC processing, featuring high-quality bearings that allow for long-lasting, noiseless rotation. It weighs 3.9 ounces and measures approximately 2.7 inches in diameter, making it easy to carry in a pocket or use as a desktop decoration. The spinner can be combined with a metal bracket to form a kinetic desk Ferris wheel, adding to its ornamental value. Users appreciate the spinner's multifunctionality. It serves well as a hand spinner for restless hands and as a desk toy that can spin quietly for up to 4 to 6 minutes with a gentle push. The design includes small metal balls around the wheel that help maintain momentum, contributing to the long spin times. The spinner is noted for its sturdy construction and attractive appearance, with colors such as blue being particularly popular. Many users find it both fun and relaxing, making it a helpful tool for relieving stress, improving focus, and managing symptoms of ADHD or OCD. One of the key strengths of this spinner is its build quality. The metal construction and precision bearings provide a satisfying feel and smooth spinning experience. The spinner is heavier than many plastic alternatives, which some users find enhances the tactile satisfaction and stability during use. The quiet operation is another frequently praised feature, allowing it to be used discreetly in office or school settings without distraction. The Ferris wheel design adds a unique aesthetic and functional twist. The spinner fits into a weighted base that resembles a miniature Ferris wheel, which can hold the spinner securely while it rotates. This base adds to the visual appeal and allows the spinner to be displayed as a desk ornament. However, some users note that when placed on a flat surface without holding the base, the spinner may topple over easily, indicating that the base needs to be stabilized or held during use. This is a minor drawback for those who want a completely hands-free spinning experience. Portability is another advantage. The spinner can be removed from the base and used independently as a hand spinner. This flexibility makes it convenient for on-the-go use and satisfying for users who enjoy fidgeting with their hands. The size is generally suitable for both children and adults, fitting comfortably between fingers. However, some reviewers mention that the spinner is smaller than expected and slightly unbalanced, which may affect the spinning smoothness for a few users. The product is also highlighted as an excellent gift option. Its multifunctional design and stress relief benefits make it suitable for a wide range of recipients, including kids, teens, and adults. It is recommended as a thoughtful present for occasions such as birthdays, holidays, and special days like Valentine's Day or Children's Day. The spinner's ability to help focus and reduce anxiety adds to its appeal as a practical and enjoyable gift. In terms of performance, the spinner consistently receives high marks. It spins for a long time with minimal noise and maintains good speed and balance during use. The metal balls on the outer ring contribute to its momentum, allowing spins lasting several minutes. Users who enjoy fidget toys find it engaging and effective at occupying restless hands. The spinner is also durable, with many users reporting that it holds up well to regular use without losing its smooth rotation. Some users have pointed out minor issues. The size may be smaller than anticipated, which could be a concern for those with larger hands or who prefer bigger fidget spinners. A few reviews mention a slight imbalance, which can cause wobbling during spinning, although this does not detract significantly from the overall experience. Additionally, the base requires some attention to keep the spinner stable when used as a desk toy, as it can tip over if not held or secured. Overall, the Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris-Wheel-Spinner is a high-quality, versatile fidget toy that combines functionality, aesthetics, and stress relief. It appeals to a broad audience, from children who enjoy fidgeting to adults seeking a quiet, effective way to focus or relax during the work or study. Its metal construction and long spin time set it apart from many plastic spinners, and the unique Ferris wheel design adds an ornamental touch that enhances its value as a desk accessory. If you are looking for a durable, attractive, and multifunctional fidget spinner that can serve both as a handheld toy and a desktop kinetic sculpture, this product is worth considering. The positive feedback from users worldwide underscores its effectiveness and enjoyment. We encourage viewers who own this spinner to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to purchase this item is in the description, and using it supports our channel. In conclusion, the Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris-Wheel-Spinner offers a satisfying spinning experience with a unique design that doubles as a decorative desk toy. It is well made, quiet, and capable of long spins, making it an excellent choice for stress relief and focus enhancement. While it has minor drawbacks related to size and base stability, these do not overshadow its overall quality and appeal. This spinner stands out as a cool gadget that makes life easier by providing a simple, enjoyable way to manage stress and improve concentration.